I got this WORKPRO jigsaw sent to me to test and give my honest opinion of the product. So let's take it out of the box and check it out. All right, so in the package, it comes with the user manual and a brochure about WORKPRO. Of course, it comes with the jigsaw. It also comes with a tool, an Allen key here. It comes with 7 blades right out of the box, so that's great. Comes with metal and wood blades, and of course, you know, you could use those with plastic, but 7 different blades is pretty nice. It comes with a vacuum hose attachment and a guide. The jigsaws I have don't have a guide, so this is a little different. It has the standard T-shank that you come in, and it's a toolless T-shank that you use your finger to turn it and push it in, and many different features. I always recommend to read the manual because a lot of these tools come with a lot of different features, and the newer that the tool is, the more features they usually come with. So if you're not completely aware with all of the features that most of these tools will come with, please read your manual so you can understand them. All right, so let's put this to use. So a couple things to note while I was getting this ready to use. It does have your standard orbital adjuster here. It has a on-off switch lock, so like a trigger lock. So when you pull this trigger, if you push this in, it allows you to lock that on, so that way you're not having to hold it and squeeze it the whole time. It has a switch here on the front that lets you turn on and off the light if you want to use it or not. This Allen key that it comes with here is actually to adjust these little locks they have right here where you can put the guide in. So this little hole right here is where you slide the guide in if you need to use it. And it has little adjustment screws on the top there so you can tighten that down. Build quality wise, I would put this up against pretty much any brand name jigsaw out there. The build quality is really nice. Definitely looks like it can take a beating. It is speed adjustable here. And then also it has this switch here. So if you want to hook up the vacuum adapter here, this allows you to switch the direction of the air that is being pulled. So it can either suck or blow actually air away from the bit. And that's pretty much what I wanted to mention here. Let's go ahead and cut something. So I got this picket that I need to cut. So I figured why not try out the new jigsaw. Let's go ahead and cut this up. Cut great. Saw feels good in the hand, not too heavy, not too light. I like it. All right, so I hope this review was helpful. If it was, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. That really helps us out. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. Y'all take care.